Hello students, welcome to the Gen classes. Today we will learn about the class selector in CSS. This is the part 2 of my 6th lecture. In the first part of the 6th lecture, we saw the ID and the element and the ID selector. And now we will see the class selector in CSS. For this, open the Notepad++. Open the Notepad++. In the Notepad++, firstly take the new file. In the new file, in the last lecture we saw how we will create the ID. Firstly, we set the body, then we will create we created the ID. Then by using the ID part, ID element, we did the modification. Like paragraph, we can decorate the general setting of the paragraph was the pink and the red, and the new modification was the yellow and the color brown. By using the paragraph 2, I want the modification in the paragraph 2. That's why I wrote the uh, para 2 as the ID, and after that I did the modification. Now I will you will see the class selector. For that, HTML tag open, HTML tag close. In the HTML tag, you will see the body tag open, body tag open, body tag close. By using the body tag, in the body tag, and now head tag open, head tag close, head tag open, head tag close. Just save it. G Drive, 12 lectures on YouTube, lecture 6, part 2 .html. .html. Just save it. Now we have to just create. We just have to write 3 paragraphs. First paragraph, \p. Just copy this, copy, then just paste this, and after that I will write the h1 tag, h1 tag close, h1 tag close, h2 tag, then h4 tag, h4 tag close. Okay, in the h1 tag, I will in the paragraph tag I will write hello world, hello world. In the second I will write India. In the heading 1, I will write one. Heading 2, heading 3, heading 4. Okay, just save it. Now run it. You can see the heading 1, heading 2, heading 3, just large this, maximize this. Okay. Now we have to do the modification here. So let's see in the, I just want to create some class here. So I will write the class equals to, in double quote, sorry, the class equal to, in double quote, CEN. Okay, center CEN, and in the second class P, class equal to, in double quote, my color. My color. Just save it. Just save it. Okay. Now I have to describe some criteria or the selection designing section of the class. Okay. So for that, in the center tag, I will write style tag. In the head section, I will type the style tag opening and style tag close. Style tag close. In the style tag, I will write the class name is the CEN. That's why I have to access the I have access to this class. That's why I will write the dot CEN. I will write dot CEN opening closing curly, and in the opening closing curly, dot CEN is here. In the opening closing curly, I will write, I want the background color of the class CEN as the background color of the class CEN as the red, and text align should be in the middle. That's why text align center. Just semicolon it and save it. Now see, what would be the output? The class CEN, we have applied on the first paragraph. Okay, that's why the background color of the first paragraph would be the red. Just see it. Okay, and we set the align as the center. That's why the word, the fonts, the word would become in the center position, would came in the center position and having the background red. Okay. Now I also want the second class should be declared. That's why we just declare here, and we are assigning the functions and the classes functions here. Okay. So I'm just my color is declared here. Now we are putting the functioning here. For that, my color opening and closing curly. In the my color, I will set the font color as green. You can take the many properties, many attributes you can use. Okay, just save it. Now run it. So my color font size is a green paragraph, and the background color as the yellow. You can put. Okay, you can see India become in the green color. Okay, now I have what now you can see the heading 1, 2, 3, 4 are in black color. Okay, so now I want the first heading in the red color and in the center position. then I will apply. I want the same criteria na. I want the background color as a red. I want the center text line as a center for the heading 1. That's why I will apply the h1 on the h1 class equals to, in double quote, I want the that style which we have already applied on the center class. Okay, that's why I am only applying CEN class on the heading 1. Just save it. Now run it. Okay, now I want the same background as the red and the text position as the center on the heading 4. Then I will apply this class CEN on the heading 4 also. Class equals to double quote CEN. Okay, just save it and now run it. Okay, now I want the heading 3 same as the class 2, the paragraph 2. That's why I will apply the H3 class equals to double quote, I will apply the my color. You can put any name of that class. Okay, just save it. Now run it. Okay, so what we have done in the previous lecture, we said the ID should be different for everyone. Okay, but in this program I have said the class name can be same, or you can apply the same class on the other tagging also. But in the ID selector, you cannot use the same ID to the different tagging. Okay, in the class selector, you can use the same name class or the same class to the other tagging, but in the ID tag you cannot. Okay, that's why you can use the CEN class to the other tagging also. Okay, my color on the you can apply on the other tag. Okay, this is all about the class selection. Okay, this is all about the class tag in which you can put same class on the other tag also. Thank you so much. If you like my video, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you.